Dear students, in this lecture we will be understanding the basic requirements for learning electromagnetics. Okay, so the mathematical tool which is used for understanding electromagnetic field behavior is vector analysis. This vector analysis has three parts. One is the algebra, calculus, and then coordinate system. When we look into this algebra, we have the three basic operations that we can perform on the vectors. One is the addition, the second is subtraction, and the multiplication. Addition and subtraction can be performed either using triangular law or parallelogram law. Multiplication can be performed using either scalar product, which is also known as a dot product, and the vector product, which is known as the cross product. When we move on to the calculus part, we have two things. One is the integral calculus and the other one is the differential calculus. In the integral calculus, we have a line integral, surface integral, volume integral, which represents the line, surface, and the volume respectively. Similarly, in the differential calculus, the equivalents of line integral, surface integral, and volume integrals are the gradient, curl, and the divergence. Moving on to the coordinate system, we have three coordinate systems. One is a Cartesian coordinate system, which is also known as a rectangular coordinate system. Then we have a cylindrical system, then a spherical system. In all these three systems, we can have some of the important parameters that we can use, that is differential length, differential surface, differential volume, gradient, curl, and divergence. So this entire thing gives you a big picture of vector analysis, which is very much essential for all the engineers for understanding the electromagnetic behavior in different media. Okay, so with this I will end this lecture, and in the next lecture we will be talking on algebra, wherein I'll consider addition and subtraction using triangular law and parallelogram law. So till then, take care and thanks for watching.